Okay, awesome. So what I would be looking for whenever you're doing like filtering is see how many followers they have. So let's say they have 100,000 followers, great. But then look at their likes and the comments. Let's say they have 100,000 followers, but then they're only getting like, a, I don't know, 200 likes. Well, that's probably not a good account to work with. But let's say they actually have pretty good likes. Now check the comments, or do they have genuine comments? There's a bunch of just fire emojis. Well, that's fake engagement. On the other hand, if they're saying, "Oh, this is such a great post, bro," yeah, okay, cool. Check, check, check. The next step that you want to look at is, do they have a newsletter? If they don't, I personally would never work with those people because they don't understand the importance of having a newsletter. And I don't want to have to convince them of it, and they're not going to appreciate it. And I can provide more value to somebody that already understands the importance of a newsletter, aka I'm going to save them time and make them way more money. So if they have a newsletter, check. Now the next step is, do they have an offer? This could be a coaching offer. This can be a video course, a book, whatever. If they have that, check, because that means you can actually make them some money, and then see if they have a lead magnet. If they don't have a lead magnet, that's an entry to being able to lead with value. I've got an idea for a lead magnet for you. I think you should put, let's say it's a fitness book. So I notice you don't have a lead magnet. So I have an idea to put together, and this is just an example, don't take it literally, 10 top 10 secrets for fat loss. We're going to put together a PDF guide on 10 secrets of fat loss. Just based off the content I've already seen you talking about, you get a lot of engagement with that. And then I'm going to build an email sequence around that book. So for the next 10 days, every single day, they're going to get one of those lessons from the book, and we're going to expand on it in an email. And at the bottom of that email, we are going to promote your XYZ video course, your XYZ coaching. And then boom, you can build that. You can offer, that's how you can like lead with value from the get-go and provide massive value to that client. And as long as they fit that criteria, you'll be good. Where most people get burned offering email copywriting, really any service to people on Instagram, is they see somebody that has tons of followers, but they don't see that their engagement is like just terrible, or they don't have an offer. Like, I'm not going to work with anybody that has not genuine engagement, meaning 100,000 followers with like 200 likes. I'm not working with that type of person. I'm not going to work with anybody that doesn't have any kind of offer. If they have really good engagement and they don't have an offer, then I would pitch helping them launch an offer for a percentage of that, and I'll also take over their newsletter. But like, it just depends on the context. So that, does that make sense?